In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be quickly taking you through how to do an abdominal crunch with weights. So I'm using a dumbbell in this exercise tutorial, but you can use a kettlebell, a weight plate, anything that you can pop across your chest, even a household object to mimic this. You'll notice as well, I'm using a mat for general comfort. It is optional, but I would recommend you use one. So I'm going to be laying on my back, my feet are going to be on the floor, my knees are going to be bent, and I'm going to have this across my body. So I've got my hands and arms coming in the direction of the opposite shoulder, grabbing the weight so it's not going to come loose when I do the exercise. So if I come into the start position, laying on my back, feet on the floor, I'm grabbing that weight, my arms cross over each other, and the first thing I want you to notice is my eye line and the position of my head. So I'm always looking up, even when I come up into my crunch and back down. I'm not flinging the head forwards like so. I'm not going to strain my neck flexors when I do this. They're already going to be under strain when I come up with a neutral eye line, always looking up. So just make sure that when you're doing your crunches, it's 2 seconds up, 2-second pause at the top, big squeeze and contract, and 2 seconds down, so lower under control. Of course, this is going to be harder than your usual variant because we've got that additional weight, and it's going to be harder the more weight you pop on your chest. So from here, back's always in contact with the floor, even when I come up, so my lower back is always plastered to the mat. It's only going to be my upper back and head that comes off the floor, big squeeze at the top for 2 seconds, and slowly back down under control. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do a weighted crunch.